Hello and welcome to Jive Basic Plus lesson. Here we explore interesting basic choreographies. And today we will look at choreography with stalking walks, flicks and break. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. So we start with stalking walks, flicks and break. So stalking walks are walks in promenade position, and man starts with rock with left foot, then point, step, point, step, point, step. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us stalking walks. And rock, rock, point, step, point, step, point, step. Very good. Let's look again. This time with the count. And quick, 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 quick. Very good. Now we will continue with flicks into break and follow-away, throwaway ending. Quick, 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 quick. Let's look again. So we start with 4 flicks, slightly across the body, then step in promenade, ball change and 2 triple steps, which is overturn, follow-away, throwaway. Now let's look again. This time we add jumping style actions. And quick, 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 quick. Very good. Noticed also Violetta's running action at the end of figure. Quick, 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 quick. Now let's look at introductory figure, which is steps 1 to 5 of link and then whip. Very good. Let's look again. And quick, 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 quick. And now let's make a little bit more interesting version. Instead of link, we dance curly whip and continue with whip. Very good. From opposite angle. And quick, 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 quick. Very good. And now let's put together today's choreography. So we start with curly whip, then whip, continued by stalking walks, notice the sways, then flicks across body, then break with ball change and overturn, follow-away, throwaway ending. And now with count, on screen you see count with quicks, but I will count with numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now to music. And now first and second video choreographies together. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.